very excited. I'm gonna surprise my sister with the DIY mini patio makeover. So nothing crazy huge, but kind of a thank you. So long story short, January, after remote learning for, I don't know, almost a year it felt like, my daughter went back into school face to face, and I now live about 50 minutes away. My sister lives close to my daughter's school, so she graciously took us in, said, didn't even question it, and we stay here every week, Wednesday to Friday. And I just want to say thank you. With the school year wrapping up, you know, it means a lot. I know they hang out a lot outside with the kids going their little blow-up pool, and so I'm hoping she loves it and create a little space of their own. She's in a condo, so it's a small, very small patio. I'll show you pictures before and after and during the process. I'm super excited. I hope she loves it. I want to get a reaction on camera. Let's hope. The furniture that I was waiting for just got delivered. It's about noon and she gets off around 5-ish, so I gotta use my lunch break to build it. So let's all say a quick prayer and hope that it's an easy build, and everything else I have ready to go. So I'm excited. Let's get started. Hey guys, so here are the before pictures of my sister's patio like I promised. It's small, but we were able to make a huge impact. So like always, first things first, the area rug. And unlike last time, I was not as prepared with unwrapping everything. I was trying to keep it hidden, so keeping it closed was my easiest option. Although I did notice when it arrived that I ordered the light blue and light gray, and I thought I got the black and light gray, but thankfully I had one day to get new pillows. So thank you, TJ Maxx, for carrying something that really tied it all together. And just a small side note, if I would have had more time and given myself more than 1 week to plan, order, and get everything for this makeover, I would have cleaned the concrete. One of the best things I've ever used, and it wasn't a concrete cleaner, it was for my deck, but it was the 30-second algae, mold, and mildew cleaner. And let me tell you, it made my deck look brand new, and I know it would do the same for the concrete. So that might be a future project, but for now, there was definitely no time. And now it's time for the furniture. I bought this furniture from Amazon, and it gave me a delivery window, and I was really hoping and praying that it would be delivered on the day I wanted to do this makeover, and I was very lucky. It came that same day at noon. I put it together on my lunch break, and it just worked out perfect. I ordered this furniture specifically based on reviews, and I wanted to get something within budget and also something that was very light, so if they move from the front yard to the backyard or the patio, it's not super heavy and can easily be moved. It worked out perfect. Next up is the decor, one of my favorite parts of the entire makeover. And these two pillows right here are the ones that saved me from TJ Maxx. They brought in the light gray and the light blue along with tan, and it just worked out perfect. I got a lot this time from Ikea, these candles right here. And those are AA batteries, and they're outdoor candle, indoor, outdoor, and 6 hours. If you don't turn them off, they go off automatically, so it's perfect. Like area rugs, I love to have a little tray on top of the table, so I actually wanted something smaller, and I thought this concrete plant tray would be the perfect item to kind of tie everything together. That was also from Ikea, and same with this lantern and plants. You'll see on that left corner chair is the last planter that would be added, and that's from TJ Maxx, another way to tie in the light blue. The last pillow that's coming out, that is from Target. You can never go wrong at Target. And I really don't like to toot my own horn. Toot toot. But this was my first live audience. Break time. Thanks for being patient. I had to pick my daughter up from school, and now I'm adding these last 2 outdoor pillows that we already had. And on my way back from school, one necessity, as I was sweating during the day putting this all together, I knew we needed a umbrella. So I forced my daughter to go with me to get an umbrella and the umbrella patio stand. And let me tell you, it was a great deal from Bed Bath & Beyond. Under $100, I got both the umbrella stand and umbrella. And let there be shade. Haha. I don't know what I was thinking about not having an umbrella already anyways. So it kind of worked out perfectly. So about these Ikea lights, I was super excited. I still am. I love them. They're outdoor lights, indoor, outdoor. And my only tip to you is not to take the little twist ties off each row, because I thought I was helping save time, but instead I tangled them. I cut a lot of the light hanging time out because you guys would have watched me untangle to retangle and then untangle again before hanging. So you're welcome. So just be patient, but these were super easy and turned out beautiful. They make the patio just shine at night. And finally, it's cleanup time, tag removal time, and final furniture placement before the reveal. Super excited. Oh, and don't forget the doormat. And with that, that's a wrap.
That's why I wanted to do my hair.
That's a good one, Caitlin. We have to have patio day.
I know. That's why Caitlin guessed patio designing. I know. I know.
That's why I wanted to show you my hair.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
You wanted to say thank you.
For everything. Oh, toot toot.
Appreciate it so much.
Oh my gosh, that makes me so excited.
And there it is. And in the end, we were able to pull off the surprise. Worked out perfectly. She is super ecstatic, and so are my niece and nephew. We hung out there already, and it was amazing. Thank you all so much for watching. I will list everything I used in the description box below. If I missed anything, or if you have any comments, please let me know. I'm already excited for the next project. I'll see you guys soon.